Hey everybody, I'm Chen Bremer from Authomize, and today I'm going to show you how our PassBleed attack tool works. The PassBleed attack utilizes an inherent weakness in Okta's SCIM implementation, which allows clear text password stealing. Today I'm going to show you our new pen testing tool. But before I start, a short disclaimer. This tool is only for penetration testing purposes. If you intend to use this tool for any malicious purposes, use it at your own risk. So let's start by installing our SCIM server. As you can see in the left side of my screen, I already cloned the tool repo. First, let's install all packages using the install bash script. Once we install the required packages, we can go to the server directory and start the servers. Great. Once our servers are up and running, we can check that everything is working properly by going to our IP address and adding to the URI SCIM v2 users. Once the servers are installed, continue to the second phase of the attack, which is creating the application in Okta. As you can see on the upper right side of my screen, our SCIM server is working as well as our DB. You can see on the bottom right side, our SCIM server output. Currently, we have no users that are appears in the database. On the upper left side, you can see my configuration for building the Okta application script. So you should provide your Okta token. This Okta token should be with the permissions of application administrator, the Okta domain. Label, you can leave it as it is. I'm using offensive SCIM app. The path to your home driver executable, and your SCIM server address. The only thing you should change here probably is your IP address. So let's go to my desktop and Python. Okay. So as you can see, Chromium is open. The browser for me. I should log in with my credentials. And I will provide the 2FA. Once I'm logged in, I should go back to the CMD and click enter. You can see that the page after the refresh is enabled to create users, to update user attributes, and to sync passwords. Sorry, it is not enabled to, it is disabled to update user attributes, but we don't care about it. And also you can see in the SCIM server, we received a few messages that some resources was created. And if we refresh the website, we can see that we have many new users. For example, Yuval Inchi and Gal from Authomize. But if you take closer attention, you see that all our passwords are not real passwords. In order to get the password, the user has to connect to Okta. So let's open Firefox. And I'm going to log in with some no one credential, no one user. Great. And now what I need to do is, as an attacker, go back to my Chromium browser sorry. In my app, the one they just created using the script, go to provisioning tab. Under the attribute mapping, I need to click on force sync. Once you click on force sync, you can refresh the website, search for no one, and you can see that currently I have the real password of this user. Thank you very much.